Greetings, greetings, greetings. When you look round you and see how people are going in a them days here, you must see say at the last day them here, Jesus who come back. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. No, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from Paul's second letter to Timothy, chapter 3, from verse 1 to verse 9. But know this, in the last day, then, things are going to get hard. People only go business with themselves, and they are going to love money. They are going to go and bossy and full of themselves. They are going to cuss out and beat up them one another. And them now go follow what them mother and father say. People now go give thanks for nothing. And them now go have nothing to do with God. Them now go love them one another. Or nothing we good. Them are go talk bad about them one another too. In the last day them, people now go have no control over themselves. And them are go on like them a wild dog. Them are going to turn traitor and them are going to do big killy sitting. People in the last day them are going to go on like them better than everybody else. Instead of love God, them are going to love to do this sitting them where them think are fun. Even if God say they no fit do them. Them are going to go on like said them are God people. But them now go really believe in a God. You see, them people here no have nothing to do with them. Them the people there, we walk them way in a people family and fool up the woman them we easy for trick. And we are living in all kind of sin and can't control themselves. Them woman here ever want to learn, but can never see the truth. Same way Janice and Jambres did go against Moses. A same way them man go against the truth. Them false teacher, them mind mess up. And they not think straight. Them man are fake. Them are not really God people. But them not go get far. Because just like Janice and Jambres, people are go see. Say them attack foolish. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.